Let's solve this together. It says x over 2 multiplied by x over 2 is equal to 2 over x multiplied by 2 over x. Now, if you're wondering why I read this as multiply, dots simply means products, alright? So don't get confused. Now, moving on, we are going to have, x times x to be x squared divided by 2 times 2 to be 4, is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 divided by x squared, as we did before. Alright, now let's multiply both sides by 4x squared. So we have 4x squared multiplied by x squared over 4 is equal to 4x squared multiplied by 4 over x squared. Alright, now from here we have x squared times x squared to be equal to 4 times 4. Okay, x squared times x squared is x to the power of 4. 4 times 4 is 4 to the power of 2. Okay, when the bases are the same, you add the power. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. Alright, now moving on, we can now say x raised to the power of 4 minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Alright, now from here we can say x raised to the power of 4 minus, this is 2 raised to the power 2 or raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Alright, from here we can say x raised to the power 4 minus 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 is same thing as 2 raised to the power 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 0. Alright, now we can go ahead and express this as x raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 2. And just like what I told you here, this is 2 raised to the power 2 or raised to the power 2. Okay, it's equal to 0. Alright, so just like we did here, this thing can also mean x raised to the power 4. Alright, now moving on from here, we can say this is difference of two squares. And the law of difference of two squares states that if we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so applying this law here would have that this becomes equal to x squared minus 2 squared into x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Alright, so now we have another difference of two squares and we have another sum of two squares. Let's go ahead and simplify this now. So initially I've stated the law of difference of two squares, which we applied in before. So we will not repeat that, but let's say the law of sum of two squares. So if you have something like a squared plus b squared, it is equal to a plus b I into a minus b I. Okay, so using these laws here, let's reapply the law of difference of two squares here. So we have x plus 2 into x minus 2 multiplied by, for here we have x plus 2i into x minus 2i is equal to 0. Alright, so moving on, we can say that this times this is equal to 0. Okay, and when the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So for the first one, we have that x plus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, implying that x is equal to 2 or negative 2. Okay, so this is just the first condition. Alright, now for our second conditions, we have that x plus 2i into x minus 2i is equal to 0. Okay, from here we have that is either that x plus 2i is equal to 0. It implies that x is equal to negative 2i or x is equal to 2i. Okay, so these are the answers to this question. Thanks for watching. I hope it made sense. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.